Good evening, everyone. Local jails have incorporated a video chatting system that works a lot like Skype.
Its purpose is so inmates can visit with friends and family a little bit easier. Local News 8's Allison Zimmerman joins us live from the Bonneville County Jail to tell us how this new system works. Allison.
Jay and Carol, while this system may eliminate physical face-to-face communication, it provides a lot of benefits for both inmates and their friends and family. A big part of that being they don't have to come to the actual jail to see their loved ones, talk to their loved ones.
It's more convenient for family and friends as far as being able to do it from home and not have to travel down to the jail.
Convenience. It's become the backbone of our fast-paced, high-tech world. And now you can even find it in prisons and jails. It's called Telmate, much like Skype, FaceTime, or any other video chatting service, except it's specific to jails.
It's less staff, jail staff, intensive. Before, when we were doing face-to-face visits, we had to escort inmates down to the visiting area.
The old system also didn't allow much time for visitation either.
This system, it opens up a lot of different visiting times, so they can visit, in the morning or evening.
Here's how it works. Visitors go to the jail to get verified through the system. With a photo ID and entering some general info, they're good to go. Visitors can then access the system from their home or by coming to the jail. Telmate also allows people to leave voicemails and text messages as well.
There was a learning curve in the beginning, and it was basically three parts. The inmates had to learn the new system, the staff had to learn the new system, and the public had to learn the new system.
Bonneville County isn't the first jail to adopt a system like this. They were actually one of the last ones in the area to do so. Bingham and Bannock counties both use similar programs. The communication is more than just a tech-friendly way to communicate.
It's the safety and security of the facility. It's a more safe way for inmates to be able to visit with their family and friends.
Now, as you can imagine, there's a strong security on the system as well. Just about everything being sent to inmates goes through a screening process before the inmates will receive it. Live at the Bonneville County Jail, I'm Allison Zimmerman.
All right, thank you, Allison. While the system opens up a lot more times to communicate, it does shut down in the later hours of the day. All right.